Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita and like promised I'm back with yet another styling video. So in this video I'm going to share with you an Amazon jewelry haul, and I will also show you how you can style these jewelry pieces in different ways. So if you want to know what all I got and how I like to style them, please continue watching. So I'll start the haul with this particular piece. So the one that I'm wearing is by Zaveri Pearls. It's a golden jhumka with a very pretty pastel pink stone. It's not stone actually, it's plastic, I think. And it's shaped in such a way that it reflects like actual stones do. It looks exactly like real, very expensive stones. And these pastel pink beads on the bottom. It's a very unique piece. Like Zaveri Pearls is a brand that you must have noticed in some app or the other. It's a very popular jewelry brand and they are present everywhere. But this particular piece I haven't seen anywhere like this design. So I found it really unique. Like this pastel pink combination with golden is so pretty. And like you can see, I'm wearing it with this teal color outfit. It's got a little bit of magenta details, so green and pink works really well together. Hence this piece is working well with the outfit that I'm wearing. But you can also style it with different clothes, like it will work with different shades of pink, and you can also pair it with your neutral color clothes like black, off-white, white, golden, all of these colors. Like here I'm wearing a black anarkali with an organza dupatta and you can see how pretty it looks. I'm also not wearing any other jewelry so that the earrings stand out. It was also really affordable. Like I paid around 300 rupees for this, and for the price I think this is an amazing piece. You can team it up with your saris, with your suits, with your lehenga, and this is such a statement piece. It will look absolutely beautiful. And this is also very lightweight. Like it looks like a very chunky piece of jewelry, but it's extremely lightweight. You can wear it through the night and you won't have any problem. If you like wearing jhumkas, then you should definitely consider this piece because it will add to your collection. It's something unique and you will be able to mix and match and style it with a lot of different outfits. So this one was the first piece. Moving on to the next one. The next piece of jewelry that I got is from the brand Ubella, and it's a necklace set. The set consists of this golden necklace with pearl details at the bottom. It looks really pretty. It's a really good quality necklace. The finishing is also really nice, and it also comes with these golden and pearl jhumkas. The jhumkas are also really pretty. It is something that you can wear on its own as well because it's a good size jhumka. Even if you skip the necklace, you can wear the jhumkas on its own and it will look really pretty. This particular set somehow reminds me of South Indian temple jewelry. I think this one will really look nice with those Kerala cotton or Kasavu saris that you get, like the off-white saris with a golden border. Such jewelry will look really nice with those. Even if you're wearing something like a golden suit or maybe an off-white one, such jewelry sets will look really nice. I have styled this in the video with the golden anarkali and I have taken a brown dupatta and it looks absolutely beautiful with it. You can wear this with your silk saris and it's going to look really nice. Just add some gajra and maybe a bindi and you will be good to go. The quality is also really nice. It's like it sits really well on the neckline. It's not very stiff. It's quite flexible, like you can see. This necklace set was for rupees 399, and if you're getting something of this quality for 400 rupees, I think you should definitely grab it. So this one was the second piece. Then I got something from Zaveri Pearls again. It's a hatful. So this is how it looks. It's golden in color and it comes with these green and white stones that look like kundan. If you don't know what a hatful is, it's basically a hand accessory where you get a bracelet and a ring attached with a chain. So if you want to try something a little bit different, something other than your regular bangles and bracelets and rings, then you could give this a try. Or if you're someone who doesn't like to wear a lot of jewelry, you can wear this. It's simple, but it will definitely add a lot of character to your outfit. So this is how the piece will look. If you want to purchase any of these, I'll have my haul store link in the description box. It's a single link and you will be able to find all the items that I'm showing you in this video just by clicking on that link. The next jewelry piece is from the brand Panache Rajasthani and it's a very beautiful piece. It's a really special one. I haven't seen such pieces on Amazon. I have seen these on different Instagram stores and these are usually very expensive. So the one that I'm talking about is this one. So it's a layered long necklace and it's emerald green in color and it's made up of these crystal beads.
These crystal beads are of really good quality. Just look at how they are shining and reflecting light.
It's really pretty. It looks really elegant and it also comes with these kundan earrings. It's a really good size earrings and the earrings complement the necklace really well. This particular piece can elevate any outfit instantly. It looks so royal, so classy, and you will be able to wear this with a lot of different outfits. It will work with your neutral outfits as well as your maroon color outfits because maroon and green really complement each other, and it will of course look good with any shade of green. In the video, style it with a golden color anarkali.
I have added a green Banarasi silk dupatta to match the necklace.
And this is how it looks. So this is the beautiful piece. If you want to buy something like one single piece from this haul, please do get this one. The quality is really nice and it was for rupees, I think 700 something rupees, and for the price it's definitely worth it. So this is how it looks. It comes in this portly bag and you can store it in this. Next I got a silver jewelry set, and so the set consists of this long silver necklace and it also has a pair of earrings. These are the earrings. This one is also really royal looking because it has all of these intricate details and it has this long jali kind of work, and it also has these pearl details on the bottom of the pendant.
You can see the intricate work. It's a really well made necklace.
This one looks really nice.
And these are the earrings. They are equally pretty and they have the same pearl details on the bottom.
If golden jewelry is not your thing, if you are a silver jewelry lover, then you should definitely give this a try.
Here I'm wearing the silver jewelry set with a plain black anarkali and an ajrak dupatta. This outfit is simple yet so elegant. I love the way this look turned out. This jewelry set will also
work with your saris, your indigo saris and your suits. Indigo and silver looks really nice together, so it will work with all of that. This set is so royal that you can even wear it to different Indian wedding functions. If you like wearing silver jewelry, then you can definitely give this a try. Now coming to the last jewelry set, also by the brand Zaveri Pearls. So I got this layered necklace set. It comes with small earrings like this, which will work perfectly with this necklace. It's such a royal piece, like you can see. This beautiful necklace has these pearl strings with small kundan details and these pendants in the middle.
You will also get these matching kundan studs and they are just so pretty.
It looks really nice. This is something that you should have in your jewelry closet because it will work with a lot of different outfits.
I am wearing this beautiful layered kundan necklace set with this simple golden anarkali, and I have draped this magenta pink dupatta. and the outfit with this jewelry is looking so nice.
Layered necklaces are a must-have, and you should definitely invest in one of these. So these were all the jewelry pieces that I wanted to show in this video, and I have also styled them in different ways so that you can get an idea of how you can style these pieces if you're planning to get any. You can wear them to different occasions, and they will really elevate your outfit and make them extra special. If you want to buy these, I'll have the link in the description box. You can check them out, and all these pieces are of really good quality, so you can definitely go for any of these. So that is it. These were all the pieces. Let me know which one was your favorite. My favorite was definitely the green one, the green layered crystal necklace. That was my favorite, and the earrings also I really liked. These ones. You can also check out my previous video where I have shared with you different outfit ideas for Indian weddings. If you haven't already, do check it out. I think you will find it really useful. So that is it for this video. If you liked it, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on all my other social media. I'll have the links in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.